Okay, guys, welcome. Today we'll be talking about a platform called Botamp that helps business owners and individuals generally to create beautiful websites in a few minutes. And to get started, we just need to go to botamp.com, botamp.com. And yeah, this is the beautiful landing page. The tag tells it all. It says create a website and professional email campaigns in 15 minutes. So we're gonna do just that. In just a few minutes, we'll have a website up and running. So get started for free. And of course, they have a number of templates you could easily choose from. Let me go with this one. You can preview any of them and see which one you like. Just take a look. Let's go back. Let's preview another one. Let's preview this guy. Farming business. Looks cool. See, it has a neat gallery here, and well, this looks cool as well. Um, yeah, you could check out the other templates and see which one you'd like. You could also create your own from scratch. Well, for this particular tutorial, we'll just select one of them. I think I like this one, so I'm gonna use. Let's preview it again. What does he have? It has a menu up top. Then there's this hero section with an image, and they trusted us. Some logos, testimonials, and a bunch of whole other stuff. So let's use this one. I'm going to click over here at the bottom. Utiliser ce modèle. In French, it simply means use this model. I know because I already asked Google. All right, and you're supposed to quickly create an account to get started. What will be the name of our website? Let's go with Relay, and I already have an account set up, so I'm just gonna use no, on a normal day you're supposed to create your account like this, but I already have an account, so I'll just log in and log in. I hope this works, and boom, it works. So for those of you who are just going to be creating your account, you receive an email to confirm your account creation. Just click on that email, it will bring you back to this page. Over here, this is your dashboard, and at the top you can see four links here: dashboard, content, communication, and configuration. Towards the right, there's a published site, and here there's a menu that tells us the particular websites that you're currently working on. This is a Relaya or Relay, as I would like to call it. So I'm just gonna edit this website. To do that, I'm gonna come over here, the content area. This is where you get to actually edit everything. Over here, this tells what's happening to your website, but that's not what we're looking at right now. Over here in the contents, and there's no page. I thought I selected one. Okay, never mind. We're just gonna create a page now. It says click to choose a model or starts with an empty page. Which one do we go with? I think I need a home page, so I'll go with this one. And yeah, okay, you already have some things set up. This is the page. This is where you edit everything. But before we jump into editing, let's just new page. Let me just save this. Okay, this is our home page up top, page name. Now, by default, if you're just creating an account and you select a template, you already have a couple of pages that you can work with. Okay, I'm just walking you through for those of us that have an account already. It's a pretty simple process. So I've saved this page as my home page. I'm going to here, you see home page. I'm going to create another page. I need a contact page. Page name, contact us. Sounds nice. Save. Just we clicks, and okay, we have 2 pages now. Let's work on the home page for a moment. See how it looks. Here we can edit the page to whatever we want. All right, let's start. First things first. I think I want a sort of navigation menu up top. So just gonna look for back. Okay, insert content. There are a couple of different categories: header, menu, content, list, and we may not be able to go over all of them now, but this represents popular blocks that you would see in a regular website or in any website actually. Let's start with the header. No, not header, the nav bar. Is that where it's supposed to be? Menu, yeah. Okay, I think I want the one where the logo is on the left and the links are on the right. All right. It's by default it comes to the bottom. So basically everything here is a block. If you look at it, you see the pink highlights. Everything here is a block. You could edit everything, treat them, work on them separately, and you know. So it's like stacked on top of each other. I'm going to push this entire block to the top. Okay, right. You can push blocks up and down. Now it's below this jumbotron or hero section. I'm going to take it back up because I want it up top. Yeah, that works. Okay, I think I don't like the reddish color, so I'm going to change that. Let me just quickly change that, and to change that I'm going to come over to configuration. This is where I can change the uh, 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 content, the color. Over here we have the Facebook account, Instagram. That's basic social media accounts. So it's easy for your users to share and even to follow you up. Over to the design section, the primary color, I want it to be a little bit of blue. Yeah, I like, yeah. That's what I like. So save. Okay, that has been saved. So I'm gonna come back here, come back to my home page. See, buttons have changed from that maroon to blue, which is what I wanted. We've added our header. Over here, I don't quite like this guy, so I'm just gonna remove it and I'm gonna add something else. Let's use a header. Now these beautiful headers are already laid out for us to use. Probably this is header with subscription. I want something plain, just background. Okay, I think I like this one, or this one. Okay, I'm gonna work with this. Okay, let's push it up. Oops, we don't want it above the menu. So yeah, I'm gonna quickly change the background color. Whenever you select any of the blocks, you have the options of doing certain things, background colors, and all of that. I already have an image for this guy. Let me just upload it. This is the one, I think. Yes, this is the one. Forgive me. It's gonna take a couple of seconds to upload, and it'll show up here. Okay, yeah, okay, we're here. Welcome to my website. Okay, sounds cool. Over here, like I said, you can select everything. Everything is a block. So right now I'm in the this Braille. Welcome to my website blog. What I want to add, let's just add something really catchy. Let's say your home over, okay, your fashion home. Sounds nice. And yeah, okay, your fashion home. Yeah, do I really need this guy? Okay, now on second thoughts, I think I don't quite like this one. Now I'm gonna add something else, something that has an image and just a catchy text. I think this would work. Okay, yeah, let's use this one. It's this one. So I'm gonna take it back up, and I'm gonna change the background. No, not that guy. This guy. Okay, yeah, I really love this background. Yeah, so it's gonna come up in a moment. And okay, over here, this does really look nice. Well, I'm sure you can do something better than that. Over here, the button, I'm changing this text to um, get in touch. Yeah, because probably you want them to, call you or something. I could remove this secondary link because I don't need it. I'm changing this one as well to get in touch. All right, that'll do. Yeah, okay, what we do below, we have my service perks. Well, over here we could choose to add a content. And what's it gonna look like? Let's use something, I think I'll add something white. Something something like something like this would do. Yeah, but I'm just gonna push it up. Um, is this where I want it to be? Okay, yeah. Said I was gonna delete this guy, so I deleted that guy, and I have these guys over here. Okay, not bad. We're getting there. So let's not make this too long. I'm just going to save this. Come over here as the settings. I'm setting this as the home page. So whenever a user comes here, this is what they get. Of course, there are other options, but you're just gonna have to upgrade. Well, I think the free version is enough for most persons. So we've worked on our home page, our contact us page. Let's see how it looks out of the box. Out of the box, it just has, it says message. Okay, I'm just going to change this to um, send us a message. Boom. Or rather, let's just say contact us. Boom. Right? That's that. Do you have any questions? Any information? Yeah, I could come here to contact at relay.com. Link mail to, yeah, that works. Over here, this is the phone number, and we have the relevant links. So just gonna save them both. Okay, I think that's saved now. Coming back, and I can publish this site. Publish to your website hasn't been published yet. Publish. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. Trying to publish. Boom. So copy and come over here. Let's see how it looks. Okay, boom. Yeah, so we have my simple website up and running, and it'll look nice on all devices. I'm just gonna change this to mobile. This is how it looks on mobile. Yeah, of course you could make yours a lot better, or I'm terrible. So yeah, I'm just gonna have to manage this. So this is it, guys. I hope you really loved it. Um, give it a try, and I'm sure you're not gonna regret it. Once again, my name is Ken. Thank you very much.